Here's how to copy objects in SketchUp. Click on the object once if it is a component to select it fully. If it is not a component, triple-click to select all faces and edges. The quickest copy method is pressing Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac to paste a copy. The better method for precise copying is the Move tool. Click on your object and press M to activate the Move tool. Then press Ctrl on Windows or Option on Mac. You will see a plus sign appear indicating you are moving a copy. Click and drag the copy to where you want it. Type the exact distance you want and press Enter to place it precisely. After placing the first copy, type X followed by a number, for example, X10, and Enter to instantly create that many evenly spaced copies in a row. This is the fastest way to duplicate objects at precise intervals in SketchUp. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.